we move to our closing ceremony. And for that, may I please request Mr. Rakesh Kakkar, Festival Director, ILF Samanvay, to join me on stage. And we already have Rizio here, who is the Creative Director for this year's edition.
We have during these 4 days, like it's not just 4 days, like work has been happening, and there's a lot of voluntary support that we've got from young students, people from various walks of life. So there are some certificates that we have to distribute now, which I would request our director, Rakesh Kakkar, to distribute. Like Soumya will call out the names.
So this festival would not have been possible without this absolute strength of all the volunteers who've put in their heart and soul behind what you see in the past 3.5 days. And it is absolutely imperative that we acknowledge each and every one of them. So a big thank you from the entire team. And we'll just start with the distribution. Amitabh Ranjan. Anand Rai. Anjul Srivastav. Astha Shri. Bharat Bhushan. Deepti Sinha. Deepti Sinha. Mohit Grover. Sheenu Sharma. Sompita Sial. Shweta Yadav. Syed Faisal. And Vidika Chauhan. Also for the Heer Pithara Poetry Contest, we heard the 3 winners over these 3.5 days. Of course, unfortunately, Avnish couldn't be here with us, but we have the other 2 winners. May I request them to join me on stage? Debayut Chatterjee. Oh, there he is. Rizio is saying that he writes brilliantly. Doesn't have the mic, so I'm just saying it. And Ishan Kukreti.
Ishan's poem was titled, the winning poem was titled Ishan. I would request our director to say a few words.
Well, I'd particularly like to thank the volunteers, and going beyond the volunteers, I would like to thank all the staff in my office, Vidyun and her team, and of course Rizio and her very large expanded team who have been working non-stop, day and night, at putting together this program. It's been a great program, and we do hope to build on it and continue with this in the future.
Now that we have come really to the close of this festival, it's just the closing performance to go. it looks as though, suddenly we've all been working like, all- the, the all these volunteers, all these my teammates, they were all working without for the last
But
1
you look
month.
very relaxed, so it suits you to work. I
Huh?
think. You look very relaxed, it suits you to work.
Yeah,
I think.
I think we have worked out a methodology of relaxation through this work, because we figured out that at some point we figured out that there is no point stressing, and no point stressing about sleeplessness also. So we had to live through it. So we started working. But jokes apart, this has been a tremendous experience. This was also an experiment, because there are one or two things which I would like to say before we close. One thing is that there has been an attempt to understand the space of ILF Samanvay as a space of thought, as a space of deep thinking, connection, etc. So from when we started working really on this reconceptualization of this space, like 3 months back, we started with the logo. The logo, which is, I have a lot of people to thank, but I'll start with the logo. The logo is a reconceptualized logo, which is redesigned by artist Riaz Como, whom you heard some time back here. So when he reconceptualized this with that red round there, this is one word that he used. He said, this is the headspace in these times when there is this all running after the instant kind of thing, instant gratification. I need things instantly. The ILF Samanvay has to build itself to a space that really, gives importance to thinking. You have to sit down and think about things. So that is the headspace that he had put it there. And we are very happy. And the red color is about passion, revolution, whatever we want to bring into this space. So another aspect of this was the question of language itself. We thought this is not a literary festival, this is not a lit fest. This is an Indian languages festival. So we wanted to understand language much beyond the verbal, and as something which Ayesha is pointing out, this established language thing. Beyond that, we wanted to explore, because we are in a space like India, which is very pluralistic, very multicultural. So in this space, it would be very erroneous to actually look at something like language in a very verbal or literary kind of manner. So we thought it is very important for us to understand language beyond the verbal and the literary. So if you look at this campus today, you will find that there are a lot of other things happening. There is art happening, there are performances happening, there are workshops on various things, ranging from media to food. So these are all idioms, these are all different types of languages that we want to bring into the frame of this festival. So this attempt to bring together various idioms has also been an interpretation of Samanvay, like bringing together. So physically, to explain that, we had this idea of the spectrum, the 7 colors converging or coming together. This I owe actually to Aman, because the first design idea that I discussed was with Aman. So I owe it to him. He was the first one who proposed that let's have this idea of spectrum worked out. So it has come into that, and then our friend Priya Ravishmera, all the work that you see here, it is not a mere backdrop, it's an artwork. If you see there, there is the name of the artwork also there, and at the plaza steps you have Priya's work. So everything that you see on campus today is a part of thinking. It is not like, nothing is random actually on this campus. So there are a lot of people who have contributed to this endeavor. So it would not have been possible for us, a small team, to put put this together in the last 3 months at all. So I would like to really mention some names here, because without which it will be very unfair. So I have the names. Thanking is very, very important, because that's the only thing that I think we can give. I would like to start by thanking Delhi Press, our main partner. Delhi Press has been with us since the beginning of Samanvay in 2011. They've been very, very supportive. If you have attended this festival in the last 4 days, you will know that this is a very, very open, secular, democratic kind of forum where free speech is encouraged. So in these times, it is actually very difficult to remain like that. So for a publishing house, for a house to be with us, supporting us in this cause is actually very commentable, and I think they're continuing with us because we share certain values, certain principles that we found this festival on. I really, on behalf of the entire Samanvay team, I thank Delhi Press. I would also like to thank Vani Foundation, which has come into this whole endeavor this year, because we thought when we are talking about languages, translation is a major area that we must touch upon. So we had this discussion with Vani Foundation, and they immediately came into instituting a new award for translation, Vani Samanvay Distinguished Translator Award. Very grateful to them. And taking this question of translation forward, we also had, we have an ongoing collaboration which we worked out with the School of Translation Studies and Training at IGNOU. There's a workshop which was happening here, and we hope we can build this project, so next year we have some publications from this project. So I'm very thankful to these partners. And we have some associate partners who supported us in various ways, HarperCollins, NBT, and we have 2 knowledge partners, Leela Foundation for Translocal Initiatives and Ignite Festival of Contemporary Dance. It's very important that we have this other forms like Ignite, which is dealing in performance, or other organizations which are dealing in various other systems of creativity and knowledge. They are coming into supporting us because we think it's very important to form this connective of creativity, connective of creative people together. So I'm very thankful to all of them, and I also thank our outreach partner, Pratham. Some of the, as I said, 2 individuals who really deserve mention is, one is Riaz Komu, who helped us with the design and also helped us with the art, designing this whole thing, and Priya Ravish Mehra, who has really spent her whole put her heart and soul into creating this whole ambience that we see here today. And I have, there is Kanika Anand, who also contributed her work, curatorial work, the art that you see here, it's her contribution. And there are a lot of artists who send their work here. Anwar Ali, who sent his film, V. Ramesh, who sent his paintings as a slideshow, which you see here. E.P. Unni, who put together a slideshow of Nehru, Shankar cartoons of Nehru, and Crystal Devdasan, who put together a slideshow of, curated a slideshow of R.K. Lakshman cartoons. I would also like to thank T.M. Krishna, who actually came into this in so many different ways and supported us. I would like to especially thank Alka Pante of the Visual Arts Gallery, who who really cooperated with us to create this art space. And now I thank all our jury members, especially Professor K. Sachidanandan, who's almost like, with us all the time, supporting us in various ways. A special thanks to Namita Gokhale, who was instrumental in instituting this Vani Samanvay award. And I would like to now come to some of my very intimate people, without which, this will be Rakesh Kakkar, whom I call Rakesh. He's been such a friend, It's not as a director that I've dealt with him. So there is no time, and without his support, I don't think anything like this could have happened, because suddenly you're coming and changing things around, and scaling up at various levels. So he has been such a pillar of support. Thank you, Rakesh. This is it's a personal word of thanks. And Vidyan Singh, who is sitting there, who is the director of programs at IHC. She is like, this one person to whom I just go and fall back and say, Vidyan, help, and then she would be there. Thank you, Vidyan. This is a personal word of thanks. And the IHC programs team, Shadab Hussain, who is responsible for this whole thing that you see. He is a magician. Without him, I would be half lost. Shadab, if you're somewhere here, thank you very much. Yes. Yeah, he is at Strain. He is on duty. Renu Oberoi, who is, this coolest person ever. So Aman was talking about my being cool, and I'm not really so cool. You should see Renu. Renu is putting everybody at ease, etc. Shivani, Wasib, Naresh, Shalini, all these people who are in the programs department, working day in and day out. They are absolutely wonderful people, wonderful colleagues. I thank all of them. And I would like to thank one special team that came together like three months back. Through these 3 months, I would like to just call out their names. Sakshi Jain, who made all the designs, including here, that our androgynous, itinerant, ageless storyteller that you see at the entrance. She conceptualized this from a painting which was made by Adil Tushar Kumar, who is a 9-year-old artist. And I thank Sakshi. Himanshi Sharma, who is here, who has been the team coordinator, so you would know what it means to be a coordinator for this kind of a festival. So thanks to Himanshi. Sachin Joseph Koshi, who is there, who is my colleague at Leela, but he has been, I am like throwing everything upon his head, so thanks Sachin. Aks, one 21-year-old magic who does our website. You just write to him and say that, Aks, this is what is needed, and it is up there. The website that you see is completely his work. Hats off to that child. He is amazing. Aks Malhotra. Azhar, who does all our social media work, consistently, continuously doing the work. And Adil Jamal, who came into designing, because we just couldn't handle the amount of designs that we had. So we had Adil any time of the day and night. You can just call him and say, Adil, I need this certificate, and then he is there with that thing. So I thank all of them. And then we have, I also would like to thank my co-curators who were there with me till 3 months back, Giriraj Kiradu and Satyanand Nirubam. We initiated this, we started discussion together. This is a moment of remembrance. I'm really thankful to them for the support and for the kind of friendship and fellowship that we shared. And Pradiksha, who was with us, who couldn't continue because of her ill health. Pradiksha, if she's here, I thank uh, uh, Pradiksha also, and I think Imtiaz and his team for all their support, and the volunteers. No, Shubham from Delhi Press, who is out there. Last minute we sent something to press, and then he is there ready to deliver. And I think I do not know whether I have missed out somebody because there are a lot of people, but they, finally, before we close, we have Soumya here, who has been like, completely. She comes into this, and when she is here, I can be sure that I don't have to be here. So a big hand to her and all the volunteers, who were called. Hats off to all of you. Thank you very much. I do not know whether I missed out anyone in this, in this kind of frenetic kind of Thanksgiving, but this has been a wonderful experience. I hope we scale up on many of the things that we've initiated this year, and we have a performance now.